Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about how to find adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of matrix. Okay. So the formula for adjoint of matrix is very simple. Um, Adjoint of A, which is denoted by this A, D, J of A, is nothing but transpose. Transpose means interchanging row with column. Transpose of cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix. Now what is this cofactors matrix that we see? How we find the cofactor of any matrix that we are going to learn. So the simple formula for cofactor of matrix is given by if I want to find cofactor Cij, then the formula is -1 to the power I plus j multiplied by m I j, where m is a cofactor. Okay. So for example, I want to find first C11, the element in first row first column. So my cofactor will become 1 plus 1 m11, which is nothing but -1 to the power 2 m11, which is equals to -1 is square 1 m11. Okay, like this. So let us just take an example because that will help you to understand what is the cofactor of a matrix. So suppose let's just start with 2 by 2 matrix. So we will start with 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, example 1. Find adjoint of A if A is given 6, 5, 2, 1. Okay, this is the matrix A given. So okay, so from this I want to find a cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix. Okay, now we need to find by using this formula, but I am going to show you a simple tricks here. So the cofactor is, cofactor of 6 will be 1. Okay, in 2 by 2 matrix, cofactor of 6 will be 1. So I am writing here 1. Cofactor of 5 will be 2. Cofactor of 5 will be 2. So I am writing 2 here. Similarly, cofactor of 2 will be 5 and cofactor of 1 will be 6. Okay. Now just change the sign. So how you are going to change sign? Sign you are starting with plus sign, minus, plus, minus, like that you are going to continue. So here I am writing plus sign, minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, like that you are going to change the sign. So this is the cofactor matrix of A, and take its transpose. So suppose I am giving the name of this matrix is P, then adjoint of matrix will be, adjoint of A will be P transpose. Okay, so I am just taking the transpose of this matrix. So row interchange with column, row interchange with column. So this is the first row, it become my first column. This is the second row, it become my second column. Okay, so this is the adjoint of A. So I hope you understand it. Now just remember a simple trick, and this is valid only for 2 by 2 matrix. So whenever you need to find adjoint of A for the 2 by 2 matrix, so just interchange the diagonal element. So for example, here I have 6, 5, 2, 1. So shortcut, how I am finding adjoint of A is, I will just interchange these two elements. Okay, interchange it. So 6 replaced by 1, 1 replaced by 6. So I will just replace this 1 here. Other element will be same. This is same, this is same. Okay, and 6 here. And change the sign of these two elements. Whatever element are here, just change the sign. If they are plus, make them minus. If they are minus, make them plus. So here they both are plus, I will make them minus. Okay, and you can see that these two are same results I am getting. Okay, so this is the simple trick to find adjoint of A from 2 by 2 matrix. What you need to do, just interchange the diagonal element and change the symbol of other element. So for example, if I have a matrix like, if I have a matrix, just a second, I will take some example. So suppose I have a matrix 4 minus 6 1 7. Okay, so from this trick what I am going to do, I'll directly write adjoint of A equal to, what will I do, I just interchange these two elements. So here I have 5, what I will write here 7, this minus 6 as it is, minus 1 as it is, and here I will write 4. Okay, so I interchange this and change the symbol of these two. So this is minus, I need to make it plus, this is plus, so I make it minus. So simply my adjoint matrix will be 7 6 1 4. Okay, that's how you find adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. So I hope you understand this. Now we will see how we find the adjoint of matrix 3 by 3 of order 3 by 3. So I am taking an example. For example, so to find A is given minus 1 1, this is nothing, 1, okay, 2 4 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is the matrix A, and we need to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A we need to find. So my first task is, I will find matrix of cofactor, then change it, then take its transpose. That is the simple formula, because here we write it, transpose of cofactors matrix. So first I need to find this cofactors matrix, and then I will just take transpose. So how I am going to find this, just observe here. So first of all, I will find a matrix like that. So I am writing a matrix here. It's a big matrix, so I'll write it in a big this thing. So cofactor of minus 1. What will be the cofactor of minus 1? Just eliminate the row and column where minus 1 is. The same case you did in a determinant. So I am just, where this minus 1 is, in first row first column. So eliminate this first row first column and take determinant of remaining element. So I am taking determinant of remaining element 4 4 2 1. Okay, now cofactor of this 1 is, it's not cofactor actually, we need to change sign here. We will, I am going to explain how later how you are going to change the sign. So what will be the factor of 1? So just it is, what is its position? First row second column, first row second column. So delete first row second column and write the determinant of next element, the remaining element. So what are the remaining element? 2 4 3 1. 2 4 3 1. For this third element, the same procedure I am going to repeat. I'll just delete the row and column where this 1 is and take the determinant of remaining. So 2 4 3 2. Okay, that's how I am going to find every element of this cofactors matrix, this factors matrix. Okay, when we change the sign, then it will become cofactors matrix. So first of all, I am writing how I am going to get this Cij. sorry, this Mij, and then we will change the sign, this thing. So this determinant is nothing but Mij. This is your M11, M12, M13. Okay. Now for the next element, for these two, what is position of these two? Second row, first column. So just eliminate first column and second row. So what are element remaining here? What I get? I just delete these things. So I get 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 1. Right? Now second, so this matrix I will write here so that you will understand it clearly. Otherwise you will say that it's so minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. This we have done with first row. Now I started with second row. So this first element is done. Now eliminate the row and column where this 4 is. So it is in the second row. So just delete the second row and second column and write down the remaining element. So determinant of remaining element will be minus 1. I eliminate this thing. I am not considering these row and this column. So minus 1, 1, 3, 1. Right? Now for this element, eliminate this column, this row and this column, and write down the determinant of remaining. So this is not here now. Minus 1, 1, and this is not here now. So 3, 2. 3, 2. Okay. Now for this element, M11, for this element, eliminate third row, first column. Third row, first column. The remaining are 1, 1, 4, 4. 1, 1, 4, 4. Now for the next element, again eliminate this and this. So what is the remaining? Minus 1, 1, 3, 1. Minus 1, 1, 3, 1. All right. Last one, just eliminate this and this. Okay, these two eliminate. So remaining is minus 1, 1, 2, 4. Okay, got it? Just observe how I make this matrix, and then I will tell you how to change the symbol. Okay, all right. Now to change the symbol, first you start with plus sign. So here I have plus, minus, plus. Okay. Now for second row, start with minus, plus, minus. For third row, start with plus, minus, plus. Okay. So just and this thing, whatever this calculation is with the sign change, is called as matrix of cofactor. Matrix of cofactor. Now if you are not comfortable with this big symbol and all, you can separately calculate each element and then substitute in a matrix. That is also fine. Okay. All right. I am comfortable with this, so I'll always use this method. So I'm just changing the page so that we understand it well. Okay, I'm keeping it here so you can see how we calculate it. Okay. Okay, so now let's just continue with the thing that we are doing. Okay, oh, I'm so sorry. I think I made a mistake here, so I'm just correcting it. My matrix was 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and for this element, I eliminate the third row, second column. Right, third row, second column. So remaining element are minus 1, 1, which I write here, minus 1, 1, and 2, 4. So this is 2 and this is 4. Okay, just keep in mind 2 and 4. Okay, all right. So now let's just continue the calculation. You already know how to find determinant. So just find out all the determinants here. So what will I get? I'll get this plus sign here. I am not writing. What will be the determinant? Determinant is cross multiply and subtract. 4 into 1 4 minus 4 into 2 8. Okay, minus 2 into 1 2 minus 12. Okay, 2 into 2 4 minus 12, 3 into 4 12. So this is, I am closing the bracket. Minus sign outside I am writing here 1. Okay, so let's just continue the calculations. I'm just calculating the determinant that you already know. I hope you are able to see the full matrix here. Okay, so okay, the third element will be 2 into 2 4 minus 2 into 4 into 3 12, minus sign outside, 1 into 1 1 minus 2 into 1 2. Okay, next minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 3, minus sign outside, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 3, plus sign I am not writing, 1 into 4 4 minus 4, minus sign outside, minus 1 into 4 2 into 1 2. Okay, minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 2. All right, so finally I get minus 4 minus 12 minus 2 minus 10, 4 minus 8 minus, let's just make it bigger, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 0 minus 6 minus 6. Okay, so finally the matrix I got is minus 4 10 minus 8 1 minus 1 minus into minus 1 1 minus 4 5 minus plus 0 6 minus 6. Okay, so this is the matrix of cofactor. This is the matrix of cofactor, and to find adjoint you need to take transpose of this matrix. Okay, so I'm just taking transpose of this matrix. Suppose this matrix I am naming it P. So adjoint of A is nothing but P transpose. Okay, so what is P transpose? Just interchange row with column. Okay, row interchange row with column. So this is my first row, now it become first column, minus 4 10 minus 8. This is my second row, it become my second column, 1 minus 4 5. This is my third row, it become my third column, 0 6 minus 6. Okay, so now this is how we get adjoint of A for 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, I hope you understand it, and so just try to find out some adjoint of matrix. So try this example, that find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, if A is given 4 8 2 minus 1, A is given 0 1 minus 1 1, A is given 2 1 minus 1 3 2 1 0 2 4. Okay, so just try. I hope you enjoy the lecture. Till then, thank you very much. Bye. Have a nice day.